Hey guys, the manufacturer DDPY sent me this dash cam for free so I could check it out and let you know what I think about it. First off, I want to tell you the quality, the picture quality on this thing is really amazing. I'm super impressed with it. It's much better than I thought it would be. The actual view on it is really wide. Again, much wider than I thought it would be. So it's a really nice, clean, crisp, clear picture. And when you download it, it's actually even better. So, and it's really easy to use. I mean, you get your SD card and slide it in, and then it comes with a couple different options of power. So it comes with this cable that you can use with the cigarette lighter that it comes with. So USB-C on one end, USB-A on the other. So if you want to plug this into your cigarette lighter, you have that option. Otherwise, you can just use the USB-A to USB-C. But you also have the option of getting this extra cable that the manufacturer also sent me. And this one is just to make it really easy to hook into your fuse box. So you always have constant power to your camera. So it always has the ability to record even if your car is not on. And it has some really cool built-in battery protection. So it makes it so your battery can't die. If your battery ever goes under 12 volts, it detects it and it will shut off the camera so it doesn't kill your battery. So I love that. And then you just route your wires however you want to. I'll neaten mine up, but I just want to hurry and show you what I have going on. So anyway, so this is the front camera. Then I ran the cable and stuck the second camera in the back of my truck window there. Both cameras have 3M sticky tape on the side. So on the back side, you just peel it off, check your location, and stick it on. So that's really cool. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to show you on my phone the actual camera vision itself. And you can see here, this is the front view out of my front windshield here. And if you want to see the rear camera, you hit the flip button, and now you can see out in the back of my yard here. So both cameras are adjustable. You can angle them up or down, and you can easily flip back and forth. And it does just a really cool job at recording everything that's going on. And when you want to go see your videos, you can see it has the log here. So it shows I have 193 videos, 22 photos saved right now. You can go to them and check whatever time frame or whatever happened or whatever you want to see. You just go through there and you can check it. You can hit it, and then you can super easily you can download it to your photo or your picture reel, your camera reel, and then go in and do whatever you want to do. Check it out, edit it, whatever. So it's just a really cool product, really cool vision. So I'm super excited. I see crazy stuff around the city all the time while I'm driving. So really excited to just be able to record some of that stuff. So if you're looking for a really good dash cam, I highly, highly recommend that you check this one out.